I've got a secret. It's called Golden Gate Townhomes, the gem of Stone Mountain, Georgia. Now, I've given you secrets before, but this one is special.
Let's check out one of the units.
Special as in 1, 2, or 3 bedroom townhomes with soft touches and modern appliances.
And as a chef, you know I had to check out the kitchen. See, you got a nice outdoor patio, which is beautiful.
And I love the amenities for family. An outdoor gym, basketball court, a place for your kids to play, a pool, a real family community. I don't know about you, but where I live matters. And Golden Gate Townhome takes away the stress and anxiety of where you can raise your family in a safe, warm, and plush environment. Right now, get a free month, a yearly pass to Stone Mountain Park, and a free Alexa device for just mentioning Mr. Foodtastic. Do yourself a favor. Check them out.